Do that move again, Thomas.
Really?
Yeah, it's cool. And Scott's doing it. Go, Scott, go. Oh no. Oh no, don't hit the cabinet. Oh, break dancers. Adam, what do you think about that? We got some river dance. Got a little break dancing. I think he's having a seizure.
Huh?
I think Scott's having a seizure.
What's a seizure?
That.
On the floor.
Whoa, whoa. Woohoo. Go, boys. I think you inherited the white side on the dancing. Oh no. Oh, you don't know nothing about that. Oh, Scott, you alright? Adam, what is going on? Oh, look at that silly Adam. Oh no, ew. Oh, you're silly? Are you dancing like your brothers? Oh. Make room for the baby. Yeah, Scott. Get down, boy. Oh, yeah. Oh. Thomas, that was pretty cool. Oh, that sounded painful. How did we all end up on the floor? This is supposed to be a dance party. Oh. Get it, Thomas. Yeah, Adam. Go, Adam. Go, Adam. Go, Adam. Go, Scott. Whoa, no screaming. Scott's crazy. Woohoo, Scott. Oh, Adam, no screaming. Crazy boys. Oh, no. So silly. Everybody say bye.
Bye-bye. You're looking for the dancing.
Scott, say bye.
I lost cupcake.
Adam, say bye.
Okay, bye.
What are you eating?
Yeah, what is he eating?
Say bye.
Bye. Bye.
Good job, Scott.